This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Please invest your own money at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence and research as I will do mine. This video is not financial advice. What is up, everyone? This is Safe Investor AG, H-Bar Sim Saucy Warrior, and I got some saucy updates for you guys, and let's get right to it. So anyways, now, there's a tweet that someone made, and it was from Satori. Now, if you come to my Discord, I give everyone updates about every single one of my favorite projects, from DaVinci Graph to Tune FM and all of them. And so today, one of my favorite tokens from DEX tokens is sauce. So there was a tweet, and I shared it right here on February 8th, and I asked everyone, what do you guys think? So I wanted everyone's opinion, for my followers. So here's why. He said, supply and demand economics tells us that sauce is overvalued in terms of H-bar value. No DeFi asset has ever maintained a 1.5 market ratio with its network coin, and sauce is currently at 1.46 ratio with H-bar 1.41 if we compare the fully diluted market cap of each asset. If you're a sauce holder, it's a good time to take profit and hold H-bar until the market cap ratio comes back down to earth. H-bar will outperform sauce. Maybe short term, it's what he's talking about. I believe he's got a point here, and I respectfully replied to his post. I said, great point. Completely butchered this comment. Great point. Thank you for your observation. I welcome everyone's point, negative or positive, and then I try to deduce and analyze, and according to that, I move forward. I believe he's wrong. In the long term, sauce will outperform H-bar. That's just my opinion. But he considers that H-bar will outperform sauce. No. I think otherwise. So now the thing is, this was on January 29th. So let's go back to the chart. The chart on January 29th, sauce was trading, went to a high as a 9.14 cents, and then that tweet came out, as he suggested, Satori. I like his analysis. I like people that have an analysis that they base it off of data. So it makes a very comfortable person to share arguments with, because that's how you grow. That's how you learn. So anyways, and then right here we can see on the 29th and January 30th, there's red candles all the way down to 8:36, and then people respond. Obviously some people were not happy. And Nevitz 09 says, people will regret selling sauce. In my opinion, it's the biggest DEX on Hedera, only going to get bigger if it's still undervalued, and so it's H-bar. He says, some of you need to learn to live reality. Time will tell, just an opinion, he says. Someone else shared, some folks are investors and some are traders. It's pretty well known that investors do very well in crypto, traders not so great. Oh, and the long-term capital gain tax rate rewards the investors. But thanks for the heads up. He says, moving out of an investment, taking profits, does not make you a trader. I mean, but moving out at these prices, you're basically selling your $1 million home for $100,000 or $50,000, in my opinion. Now, Brandpreneur said, so what would be a reasonable market ratio for this case? I meant to say that a price for 0.5 H-bar per sauce or less would be ideal. What does he mean by that? It means a sauce remains at half H-bar price, meaning that sauce right now, okay, right now is at almost at 8 cents, and H bar right now, it's priced at 7.8 cents. So according to him, sauce needs to be priced at 3.5 cents or 4 cents, or either H bar skyrockets to 16 cents to match the zero point 0.5 ratio cents. Does that make sense? Basically, sauce keeping half the value of price value of H bar. That's completely baloney, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to put it to you this way, but why do I think that's a bunch of baloney? And yeah, it's short term, like I said, it's great. His observation, but no, this thing's gonna bounce back up hard, like really hard. Why? Because of the liquidity, bro. So you gotta compare also the liquidity. Why is this important to point out? Okay, Sauce has about 7 million in liquidity that's paired with right here. It's paired with H bar. So now you're saying, people are saying, oh, but H bar moved up, which means that Sauce should have moved up. Yes, yes, you're right. Unless it's met with sales pressure. So H bar moved up, as you can see here in the chart. It went up. There's a nice, beautiful green candle if you look at the weekly. Hurry up, bro. Load. What's taking so long? The freak is up with this? I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, look at that big candle. Bam. Just trading beautifully. Whereas Sauce obviously is looking sad. It just went womp womp. Bro, come on. I'm sorry, man. This usually, look at that red candle. So if you get the red candles, people are swapping out of Sauce to H bar. Now this was back in January 29th. Yes, it does have some kind of influence of the way people trade or take profits. So long-term holders will just, maybe they won't scoop up heavily, but they will keep. There's paper hands, obviously, and there's also people that are diamond handed. Now, there's some people that obviously are not happy. So this guy says, your math is off, go back to school. We're holders and not sellers. Strong Sauce and H bar, keep buying. So he says, I took my profits at the tippity top. So anyways, nothing to worry about, guys. Really, there's nothing to worry about. So if you compare Sauce to H bar, okay, let's make it reasonable. Look at that. You can't like, I don't know what this guy is thinking. Just look at this. Look at the 1 month. Why does Sauce will outperform H bar? Easy. It just, man, easy. Volume. Okay. Look at today's volume for Sauce. For example, look at the last 7 days. Is reaching the last 7 days. It reached 2 million. Okay, 2 million. So 24 hour, 458 million. Now, if you compare over here, 24 hour volume, 1.5 million. Okay. Now look at H bar's volume. Why am I bringing up volume? You'll see 64 million volumes. Okay, in order to move this, to move H bar, look how much volume it needed. 64 million volume. In order to move Sauce, look how much volume it needed. 1.4. So thank you for your observation, Satori. My opinion, you're completely wrong. Yeah, you may be right in the short term, but long term, you're wrong. Things are just escalating way too fast. People make emotional decisions. That's okay. You know, it's their bag. They want to do what they want with it. It's more than okay. But yeah, Sauce to me is king, and so data doesn't lie. Look at the comparison right here with H bar. It's just a monster. So right now, Very little volume, selling volume will make it drop, and very little and little buying volume will make it just skyrocket. So as you can see here, see H bar went from 7 cents to 8.4 cents, whereas sauce kept climbing. That volume just okay. And then the 1 year, look at the 1 year. Oh, man, sauce already broke its all-time high, and yeah. Anyways, comment down below. What do you guys think? And then someone make a final. Hood 23 said, there's only one person I saw call this play. That's Satori, which is this guy Satori. Looking deeper into it also made me realize sauce is probably going to dip with a big move, though by H bar that would change quickly. Keeping a closer eye on ratios now, that is for sure. I think it's going to be a 200% ratio, meaning that sauce will equal 2 times the price of H bar. If it's H bar is 10 cents, sauce will be 20 cents. That's my opinion, just my opinion. So obviously I said funny how after this tweet, Hooch23 mentions about the call that Satori made, because Kryptonic Bull is saying people need to remember that SushiSwap is the first and the biggest DEX on Hedera with a 90% Hedera DeFi on it. Couple of big wallets sold their sauce after 8 months. Well, you got to see they took their profits, guys. Guys, come on. They bought at 1 cent or 2 cents, and now they're in massive profits. Now, I think the biggest mistake was selling all of it. I'm sure some sold. You don't sell all of it, bro. Just when you know something is going to freaking just make massive jumps, but it's just my opinion, like I said. And he said after 8 months, the price dipped a little. Zoom out. Sauce is still up 700%. Very true. Look at that. Hasn't come back down to 1, 2, 3, 4 cents. I don't think it will. Anyways, that's my analysis. So comment down below, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Will sauce keep dipping? Will it be met with buying resistance and then catapult? How high will it get on this next spike? How low do you think it'll get if it dips? But sauce will outperform H bar in price wise, not market cap. Okay, price wise. Okay, that's my opinion. This is Safe Investor AG. H bar Philosophy Warrior. Sauce is gonna make millionaires. H bar will make people rich, and very rich millionaires. Sauce will make people multimillionaires. I just hope that people catch it early. I've been shilling sauce since it was a 3, 2, 1 cent, and it tipped at 10 cents. It'll only keep pushing up. My not financial advice. Buy the dip. You'll have a great day and stay saucy.